All right, so we're using a big needle here. It's long. This is the pokey part, the part that we're actually going to be sewing with. And then this is called the eye of the needle. It kind of looks like the shape of an eye too. All right, so when you thread the needle, we're using yarn, so you can go ahead and just try to poke it through and you might get lucky, like that was pretty lucky. But if you're having trouble and these ends start to get kind of frayed a little bit, like that, it gets a little harder to poke it through. So what I would do is fold the yarn to make a teeny little loop and then poke that little loop through and boom. Then you don't want a little piece of string hanging off like that. So pull through so that the two ends are even. Okay, so we're going to actually be sewing with two pieces of yarn together, kind of. All right, and then this is our fabric. I know it's not really like fabric, but it's already got holes poked in it. So what you're going to do is, it's really kind of like weaving. You're going to go down and under a hole and come right back up the next one and pull till almost the end. So go slow. And then to make it stay, I'm going to loop back through that same spot again. Down and under and pull to make sure it stays. Okay, and it didn't stay, but that's okay. All right, now to sew, all I'm going to do is just keep poking under and coming right back up. And the eye is going to feel like you can't pull it through. You're not going to mess this up. Pull it through. If one of these little gold pieces break, that's fine. It's just a silly little sparkly ribbon with holes in it. Okay, so I'm going to go down and come right back up. And you can even fold this. So I can pick a hole, fold it, go down and up right next to each other. Down, up. Okay, if that's hard for you, poke it through one side, pull it, and come back through the other side. You also can do a few spots at the same time, under, over, under, over, under, over. But if you do too many, the eye of the needle, when you go to pull it, you're so strong, you might end up tearing a bunch of them. And look, I tore all of them when I just did that. So go slow, take your time, under, over,